Blessings, ladies. Today I am bringing you a beautiful crochet style. My client does have some thin hair, but no worries. I created her the perfect braid pattern for this style she's getting, and I'm using the lace part cap. Yes, this lace part cap is absolutely amazing. And she is getting what? Passion twist. Yes, this is 12-inch passion twist, and the color is 1B350. Yes, it is a mix, and it came out absolutely gorgeous. She has a right side part. The style is absolutely full. No one will ever know that she has any thin hair anywhere, even on her edges, around the front and on the sides. Look how gorgeous this style came out. If you are looking for a crochet style, try Passion Twist. They are absolutely wonderful to work with. They're very easy to install, and look, they came out absolutely gorgeous. The second client I have here has some severe alopecia. Yes, she has some alopecia all around the front, at the top, and on the sides. But look at the style that I created for her. No one will ever know that she had any hair loss in any areas. So if you are tired and frustrated, feeling sad or depressed about your alopecia, don't. Because the truth is, you can still wear beautiful styles. My client here says that she went to several hairstylists who all turned her away and told her that there was nothing that they can do for her because of her severe hair loss. But when she came to me, baby, yes, I hooked her up. As you can see, this is her hair condition. And yes, she does have some severe alopecia in the front. She doesn't know really the cause for it. However, the doctor does say that it will not grow back. So the first thing I need to do is create her a healthy braid pattern. Yes, because of the hair loss that she has in the front, I need to create her a hairline. In order to have this style look as natural as possible, I need to create that hairline first, and I'm doing that by braiding her braids in a circle or around the perimeter of her head, meaning I'm starting in the back, which is the strongest, where her hair is the strongest, and I'm braiding these braids going all around the front and just kind of wrapping it around. I'm going to do this because this is going to help create the braid pattern that I need in the front as well as her hairline. So just know, ladies, even though you have severe hair loss, you can still wear beautiful styles as long as you have a stylist who is very experienced in working with those with hair loss. So as you can see here, after doing those perimeter braids, or the braids that go around in a circle, I am braiding the middle of her hair, just going to the back. This is going to give her the nice flat look that she needs for the style that she's going to be getting. Again, as you can see here, there's a really wide space where she doesn't have any hair in the front. So here I'm using those braids. I'm sewing them together so that they can be nice, secure, and tight together. They're not tight and pulling any of her natural hair because her natural hair is fragile. I don't want to put any pulling, any stress, or any tension on that hair. And then I'm going in with my stretchy net. Yes, ladies, I always use a stretchy net because the stretchy net is most comfortable, it's durable, and it can do what it's just doing now, and that's creating a hairline for me. So those braids that I did going around in circle, or the braids that I made for her perimeter, I just used that stretchy net to sew that stretchy net down. I sewed it down to those perimeter braids that are going around the circle. Yes, ladies, this is a game changer because this stretchy net is not only durable, but it's also very breathable, meaning it gives her hair ventilation. Her hair, her scalp is still going to be able to breathe with this stretchy net on. This is the hair that we're going to be using. She does have a 4x4 closure that came with this hair, and 2 bundles. The bundles were 16 and 14 inches long. And what I'm using my custom 4x4 closure. Yes, I customized her closure so that way we do not have to use any glue. Yes, ladies, we really need to work hard on getting away from the glue because it is not healthy for our hair. And here you see I'm going to install her 4x4 closure with my customized that I made to the to the 4x4 to make sure that it fits snug but not too tight, and to make sure that she has the fullness in the front that she needs so that the style can look as natural as possible. And look how this is coming out. Oh my gosh, this is absolutely a game changer. If you are not familiar with my 4x4 closure, it's my custom made closure where you do not have to use glue, ladies. It stays in place, it doesn't slip, it doesn't slide, it doesn't move, and it does not shift until you are ready to take it down. So if you are interested, please tap the link in the description below to get your order in and continue to watch and see how this beautiful style is achieved. I am just about done. So again, continue to keep watching. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and please don't forget to tap that bell because I upload new videos every single week, and tapping that bell will notify you when my new video is uploaded. Again, thanks for watching, and continue to see how I achieve this beautiful style for my client.